This is Andrea Wells with the Insurance Journal on day 2 at Risk World in Chicago. Let's talk a bit about the geopolitical environment today and how tariffs and the economy are affecting the environment for businesses.
Sure. I mean, one of the things that we're talking about at RIMS a lot is uncertainty. I mean, what insurance really is to give certainty to customers that have uncertainty, whether it's litigation or warehouse problems or something. Our business is to give certainty. This environment, the last, I'll say 3 months, has been creative uncertainty in that there aren't necessarily answers that are come off the shelf that we've been through this exact problem before. I mean, we're going back decades since we've had tariff wars around the globe, and we're trying to deal with that. And frankly, the clients that we have are wondering, like, how can we help them manage through all of this? Where do we see it pushing mostly is that uncertainty is causing let's say the construction industry or the surety industry, which is tied to construction. How do you feel about building a warehouse or making an investment in a facility? Well, if not knowing the cost of materials, because timber, steel, aluminum, all currently are falling under what we think is the tariff system, which could change during this interview because they seem to change it hourly. So, and labor costs, interest rates still seem to be relatively high. So we're looking at that saying, how does that impact the construction business? How does that impact the surety business? And then you can tie it up to, okay, how is this impacting the stock market? Well, the stock market impacts the professional liability areas, in that are we going to see as many IPOs as we thought we would see coming into this year, coming into the new administration in Washington? I think lots of folks thought pro-business. There'll be a lot more mergers and acquisitions. Now, stock prices being a little bit more volatile cause less IPOs, cause some stress in that particular area of insurance, but also cause companies to pause. Am I going to do an acquisition if I was going to rely on my stock price, which the volatility of which is moving, with at great speed and in different directions depending on the last headline or the last Twitter notice that went out.
The Risky Futures Summit 2025. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to sign up or apply to be a speaker for our Risky Futures Summit 2025 before seats fill.